In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your social media accounts to your Squarespace site. Whether you want to showcase your latest posts or grow your online presence, connecting your social media to your website is an essential step. It enhances your brand visibility and provides seamless navigation for visitors who wish to explore your various platforms. Now let's dive into the process. To start, you'll need to log into your Squarespace account. Head over to the login screen and select the login option. This is your gateway to the various tools and settings that Squarespace offers. For ease and efficiency, choose Continue with Google if you have a Google account linked. This option saves you some time so you don't have to enter your credentials manually. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard where all your websites are listed. You might have one or several sites, but for today, we'll focus on the one you want to update. Click on your website to open its settings and customization options. Next, look for the edit feature. This is your key to modifying the content and layout of your site. The edit function allows you to make changes in real time, so every adjustment you make is instantly visible. With the editing mode activated, it's time to add a block. Blocks are the fundamental building elements of your Squarespace site, and adding them is a straightforward task. Hover over the section where you'd like your social links to appear and click Add Block. The options will unfold in front of you, offering various functionalities. Now, search for the social links block. This is specifically designed to accommodate social media profiles. Locate it and add it to your desired section. It's a fantastic tool, automatically transforming your links into clickable icons that align with your page's design. Having placed the block, click on the pencil icon. The pencil is indicative of edits and is integral in customizing the features of your block. This icon will open up more detailed settings for you to input your social media links. The fun part comes next, clicking on the social media icons that appear in the block you've just added. These are usually generic icons that need your unique URLs. Select each one that you plan to use, from Instagram to Twitter or whichever platforms you're active on. Finally, paste your social media profile links into the provided spaces. This step is crucial as it creates the connection between your website and your social media accounts. Double check each URL to ensure they're correct and active, and there you have it. Your social media accounts are now linked to your Squarespace website. This small integration can significantly boost your online interaction and presence. Thank you for watching and happy linking.